खोया हाली
खोया हानी
ए खोया हाली
खोया हानी
दूसरा डोनाल्ड ट्रंप है दूसरा ये हमारा
He's the second Donald Trump.
दूसरा हमारा
खोया Donald Trump, you should meet this man. He is your brother from a different mother. YMCA. Ladies and gentlemen, today I have a great surprise for you. I am right now standing here in one very famous city in Pakistan, famous for something very interesting, and it is the city of Sahiwal. And the reason why it's so famous is because of this man, Mr. Bagga man. Assalamu alaikum, sir. If you don't yet realize who this man is and why he's famous for, this is the Pakistani Trump. That's what they call him. He's very famous for selling kulfa, which is the local ice cream in Pakistan. And he's very famous for his song. You can search it on YouTube everywhere. And today we came to meet the guy and have a talk to him. Do you like that you are being called Mr. Trump?
कह रहे हैं आपको अच्छा लगता है जब आपको लोग मिस्टर ट्रम्प
हाँ जी अच्छा लगता है मैं सौदा बेचता हूँ ना जो सौदा बेचता मैं डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प की आवाज ला के सौदा बेचना
He's saying even when I sell my stuff I sell like I would say that I am Donald Trump and like this I call people I don't
When did you become so famous? When was it that you became
famous
so
कब
famous?
हुए थे पहली दफा
2021 से
2021
2021 and since then is his sales gone up a lot?
उस वक्त उस दौर के बाद आपकी बड़ी कमाई बढ़ी के कम हुई
नहीं बस गुजारा ही हो रहा है ठीक है
यानी कि सेम
हाँ शुक्र है अल्लाह
saying same as it is like
Same as it is, it didn't do anything good for him. That's bara masla hai then.
हाँ जी
You should. I think he likes to be like Donald Trump, but I think he would like to have the money that Donald Trump has, right? Tell him that.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪ ਤੇ ਡੋਨਲਡ ਟਰੰਪ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੀ ਹੋ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹੋਗੇ ਡੋਨਲਡ ਟਰੰਪ ਦਾ ਪੈਸੇ ਵੀ ਆ ਜਾਣ ਸਾਰੇ
हाँ जी
ਹਨਾ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਉਹ ਬੜਾ ਅਮੀਰ ਹੈ ਡੋਨਲਡ ਟਰੰਪ
हाँ जी
Okay, so how many years he is selling kulfi? This is actually his buggy, by the way, that he is selling the kulfi all the time.
ये कुल्फियाँ वाली पेटी है इसको लाओ ना कुल्फियाँ ये
basically in here he put the
इसमें छाना ना लगा हुआ है कुल्फी खोए वाली
he put the pot where a lot of kulfis are like
He has this very famous, beautiful song that he sings usually when he sells the kulfa. Could you ask him to make us this
आवाज
song?
बना सकते हैं जो आप आवाज लगाते हैं डोनल्ड ट्रंप
बाहर लगाऊंगा मैं
हाँ he would
Huh? Okay.
खोया हाली वीआईपी डोनाल्ड ट्रंप एक खीर खोए वाली
Wow, this is loud.
yeah this is his call for kheer
Yeah, oh, for kheer, okay. But usually people don't realize how loud it is on the videos that we see. It's really, he has a voice. You should be, tell him he should be Hassan.
कह रहे हैं आपकी जिस तरह की आवाज है ना आपको अजान देनी चाहिए ज्यादा ऊंची आवाज है ना
ठीक है आज नहीं ऐसी है
Oh, such a voice, such an amazing voice this guy has. Wow, nice. Tell him that we actually found a guy, a young guy that resembles him, and he looks like the young Trump.
हम ना
From
अहमदाबाद गए थे वहाँ पे हमने एक लड़का देखा जवान लड़का जिस तरह आपके भांजे नहीं है उस तरह तो वो बिल्कुल यानी कि वो भी डोनाल्ड ट्रंप की तरह लगता है वो भी बग्गा टाइप सा है और वो भी डोनाल्ड ट्रंप की तरह ही लगता है और उसने भी हमें आवाज लगा के दिखाई थी
And he actually mimics him very well.
और आपकी नकल बड़ी अच्छी तरह आता है वो
Believe it or not, guys, look who I found here. A young version of the Pakistani Trump, the Kulfi Wala, the very famous one. Excuse me. Hello. You know who you look like?
No.
You look like exactly like you know the Pakistani Trump?
Yes.
The Bagga.
I know.
The Kulfi Wala? You look exactly like him. But young, very young. You are the young version of him. Do you know how he makes the Kulfi song? Can you make it? You know how?
Yes.
Let me see.
खोया पाके मक्खन पाके कुल्फी
Good. बहुत अच्छा. खोया पाके Kulki, come on.
मक्खन खोया पाके
मक्खन
मक्खन पाके
Kulfi,
कुल्फी
Kulfi. Very good, very good. I love it, I love it. So how's it do it again? Let's do it together. Koya honey.
क्या रहा इकट्ठे करते हैं
हाँ ठीक
दोबारा
है
दोबारा करते हैं
खोया हाली
Koya honey.
खोया हाली
Koya honey. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Great. Guys, this is just the beginning of our tour here in Sahiwal. So how many years does he live here? He lives here around somewhere?
This is his home.
Oh, this is his home. This way. Ah, he's a man of a family. Is that...
या आपके बाल बच्चे हैं
हाँ जी मेरे पानी बच्चे
This is his son.
मेरा बेटा है
This is his son.
Son.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, nice. Guys, we found Pakistan Trump's son.
Yeah.
आपका क्या नाम?
सुलेमान
Suleiman. Acha. This is the Pakistani Baron Trump. So how does he like the fact that his father is being so famous for?
अच्छा वो कह रहे हैं कि आपको कैसा लगता है कि आपके अबू बड़े फेमस हो रहे हैं इसका क्या लगता है
मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है
He also enjoys it.
He enjoys it. He has a lot of you have brothers, more brothers.
आपके और भी बहन भाई हैं
हाँ जी
कितना
5 घंटे हैं
They are 5.
So are you also going to sell kulfi?
आप बड़े आपने भी कुल्फी बेचनी है क्या करना
Huh?
No, he would do something else.
Something else. Okay. How many years does he sell the kulfi?
आपको कितने साल हो गए कुल्फी बेचते हुए
कोई 35 साल
Oh, 25 years.
35 years. Wow, amazing, amazing. And how much is kulfi? Wow,
एक कुल्फी कितने की बेचते हैं
50 रुपए की 100 रुपए की
50
and 100.
Is it? He makes it himself?
आप खुद बनाते हैं Yeah.
Is it good?
मेरे वालिद साहब यही काम कर रहे थे
Actually, his father also used to do this same thing.
Oh, it's still a business from his father.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So we would like to taste it.
हाँ जी
हम इस वक्त खा सकते हैं कुल्फी आपकी
कुल्फी
Yeah.
कुल्फी जो लगाएंगे फिर खाएं
He didn't make any. So,
This is his baggy, guys. Beautiful, very famous baggy. It's actually a surreal moment to stand here and speak to the guy, right?
Yeah.
He's so famous everywhere, and to come here and find him here, it's an absolute surreal moment. And this is, I think, the best way to start off a vlog here in Sahiwal. He was born in Sahiwal.
आप साही हाँ ये इंग्लैंड के आप साहीवाल में पैदा हुए थे
नहीं मैं एक गांव में पैदा हुआ
साहीवाल के पास किसी गांव में पैदा
हाँ जी 247 गाबे
Okay. So he actually born in near village Sahiwal 207 Gaf Bay, GB. Near village near Sahiwal. Yeah.
Nice. Are you guys all familiar with him, with the people that come?
आप सबको भी पता है इनका
Yes. Hanji, a lot of people come to see him.
काफी ज़्यादा लोग आते रहते हैं इनको देखने
Huh?
Yes.
From where? From where? Kidhar?
कहाँ से आते हैं
मुल्तान कराची लाहौर कारे से आते हैं बहुत
ये तो हमारे लोकल हैं बाहर
Mostly from Pakistan. Mostly from Pakistan people are coming to see him. But also foreigners?
एक दफा जापान से आए सड़क पे ऐसे सड़क पे लोग होगी
Huh?
Okay, he's saying once there was some Japanese guys and they saw him on the road and the whole road was blocked like people were thinking seeing what's happening here.
So mostly Pakistani people, but
Yeah,
no
mo-
foreigners.
yeah.
So
Less
I'm special for coming, yeah? Because
A very less amount of foreigners.
Yeah, less amount of foreigners are coming to see him. Good, that's a good thing. Actually, guys, believe it or not, we are continuing from here maybe to the main bazaar here in the city of Sahiwal. And the Bagga man himself, the Pakistani Trump, has offered to come along with us, which is an amazing treat. Unbelievable. So he actually lives here in this alley. To be honest with you, this place looks a little bit like you'll see very soon right out here. This place looks a little bit like going back 100 years at least, or maybe 200 or more, as you will see in the front of me. I'll show you right there in the front road. Very interesting city. I guess not everywhere it looks like this. As you can see, there are sheep roaming here, lambs, goats are roaming here, and there are some mechanics here of bikes and stuff. The roads are not exactly, as they should be in a normal city. But people are happy everywhere. Huh? What are you saying?
He He's telling them that he's my brother.
Okay.
Finally, so many years
Finally we met. After so many years, I'm the younger brother. So here is the area where he lives, as you can see. This crossing here is called Multan Road, where people having their stalls of fruits and stuff like that. And this is river. I'm probably going to attract a lot of people right now because I have the Bagga man with me. That's accept my camera and stuff. This a river?
Yeah.
What river is this?
River is canal.
Assalamu alaikum. क्या हाल है?
अल्लाह का शुक्र, आप सुनाए कैसे हैं?
ठीक है? ठीक ठाक?
आप कैसे हो? ठीक हो?
Very good. अच्छा. बहुत अच्छा. England.
वाओ,
England से हो?
ग्लासगो,
नहीं, London.
लंदन,
Yeah. I come to meet my brother. My brother, Mr. Trump. Mr. Trump. Donald Trump of Pakistan. Amazing.
हो गया रे पाकिस्तान
Yeah.
ट्रम्प.
I'm already attracting a lot of commotion, a lot of attention here. And as you can see, this is the main road here. It's called the, what is the name of the road?
GT road.
Jiggy Road?
GT road.
Jiggy Road. Multan. Yes, I said Multan Road. Our taxi is here. Okay, so we take the man with us. All right. Everyone is excited to meet the Bagga man. Assalamu alaikum.
इसको हमने वो ट्रम्प से मिलना चाहता है।
हाँ?
इसका हम शकल है, उसका भाई है वो, उसको मिलना चाहिए।
He's saying he want to meet Trump because he's saying they have seen face. So ask Trump in your video that he should.
Mr. Donald Trump, I'm asking you, from here, from Pakistan, Sahiwal, you should meet this man. He is your brother from a different mother. Yes, inshallah. Inshallah, give him a lot of money. Yeah. All right, let's go. Let him go to the front.
What's your YouTube channel name?
और गड्डी चढ़ गया भाई। ओके पुराने।
You are on the video. You are on it. Wait. One more. That's it. Last one. Finish. Okay.
His son.
Bye-bye.
His son.
His son. Yeah. Come. Okay, his son. Yeah, the son also. So we have his son also.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Many people are thinking that you are taking him with you to like meet.
Absolutely. I'm taking him right now to the airport and we are going to America to meet Donald Trump. Yes? Acha? Tell him.
कह रहे हैं हम एयरपोर्ट पे जाएंगे उधर से आपको डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प से मिलाने लेके जाएंगे मजाक कर रहा है
How old is the man?
आपकी उम्र कितनी है
मेरी उम्र हैगी है जी कोई 55 साल
55 years
55, young.
yeah
Young man.
Yeah.
He looks much older.
because of
this color of the hair. Yes. Young man. His son is very cute. Very pyara. Tell him he has a very pyara son.
कह रहे हैं आपका बच्चा बड़ा अच्छा है
Okay. So we are on the way now to the monument, to the famous monument here. Yadgar Monument in Sahiwal, and from there we will go to the Sadar Bazar together with the Bagga Wala.
yeah
What is it, Kulfi Wala or Bagga Wala?
Kulfi you say Pakistani Donald Trump
Huh?
you say Pakistani Donald Trump
Yes. Donald Trump of Pakistan. So this is basically the Yadgar Monument here in Sahiwal. Yadgar means just a remembrance symbol of the city. And we are continuing from here to the Sadar Bazar together with the Bagga Wala, together with the Trump of Pakistan, the man himself. All right, guys, we have arrived here in the Sadar Bazar, and you can see how the people from all the shops are actually greeting Mr. Trump from Pakistan. And everyone is very famous around here. Everyone is like saying hello to him, and and he actually loves the attention, I must say that. Yeah, singing his song. Goya, honey. Hey. He's a Trump. That's Donald Trump from Pakistan. Acha.
Bagga.
Okay, let's go away from the traffic. Okay, we are at the Sadar Bazar, but this is the area of the shops where they sell like more utensils and stuff like that. So we are moving with this rickshaw towards the sabji mandi, which is the vegetable market, fruits market. There will be more people, I guess. We are getting closer to the vegetable side of the market, which is this side, and we're soon going to go down. Hopefully, we will meet some more people. Oh, it's right here. We should stop. Where's it going? Huh?
Yeah, he's gonna stop.
All right. So there we go.
But more people here.
So we are here at the side of the vegetable and fruits bazaar, and actually, Mr. Trump of Pakistan just complained that people are more focused on me than on him. Banana, strawberry. What is it? Melon.
Yeah.
Okay. Kitna?
कितने का?
200 per kg.
Yeah.
Okay. So how many you want to give it?
1 kg.
1 kg?
2 kg. 2 दाने कर दे 2 kg कर.
Yeah.
2 किलो कर दे 2 दाने. 2 किलो कर दो ना कितने के दाने होते हैं अच्छा या पाती है.
Good ones. The smallest melons in the world. Look at this. Actually smell good. Okay. Let me ask you, do you know this man?
आप इनको जानते हैं?
Does he look like Donald Trump? Kulfi Wala. Does he look like Trump? Does he look like Trump? Huh? Bilkul Trump, Pakistani Trump. Good. Okay, so 2 kg?
Yeah, 2 kg.
Okay, what else? Does he need something else?
Buy some apples.
Apples? Where's apples? Apple we have over there. This is guava, no?
Yeah, this is guava.
This is not a pear?
No, this is guava.
Okay.
Guava in the shape of pear.
Okay, kitna?
400.
400, hold it. Sir. Shukriya. Okay, that's for you. All right, let's go. You guys know him? You know him?
आप लोग जानते हैं इसे?
You know him? Huh? What is name? Name?
क्या नाम है उनका?
Bagga. Donald Trump. Ah, acha. Okay, good. Okay, Kulfi Wala. Let's buy him some apples. We'll buy him some apples. Let's buy him some apples. Let's go. Good. Kitna? Huh?
This is 300. This is 350.
Why this is better?
This is a little bit better than this.
Okay, so you want to buy him some? How many?
Yeah. 1 kg?
What?
1
Egg?
kg. और 1 किलो कर दो.
350. Okay.
या इतनी कुछ नहीं पैसे खर्च कर दिया है
All right.
ओए पकड़ ले
There we go. Let's continue. Okay. Salam alaikum. Sir. Okay. Does he need any other fruit?
He is actually saying no. You are spending too much
Too
money.
much?
Don't buy me anything.
Okay. So guayabas.
बाबा जी कुल्फे महंगे कुल्फे सस्ते कुल्फे ताज़े कुल्फे खोए वाले कुल्फे मेरे दिल बहार कुल्फे आओ मेरा खोया जी.
You can see the love that this man has all around the city. Everyone know him, yeah?
ये ओनली बेस्ट मैन
Very famous.
ये वेरीफाई बेस्ट मैन. और अमेरिका का जो सदर है क्या नाम उसका? डोनाल्ड ट्रंप, ये हमारा दूसरा डोनाल्ड ट्रंप है, दूसरा ये हमारा
He's the second Donald Trump.
ये दूसरा हमारा
Right, right.
ये बेस्ट
But this is yours. He's better than Donald.
बेस्ट ये आंधले हमारा खोया है, खोया
Oh, yeah. Nice.
आपको ड्रिंक
Yes.
आप ड्रिंक
It's okay. Shukriya. We have water here. Thank you.
नीचे कम है,
Shukriya.
कम है।
If you have less, I would give you.
What?
वो इतना कबाब होता है, इतना टिक्का होता है, मुर्गी
I would buy some kebab for you.
Thank you. Shukriya. So nice of
Shawarma.
you. No. Shukriya.
हम नदीम रहमानी औंदले रेडी बानों का प्रेसिडेंट और जो हमारा खोया बाबा जी कुल्फी
What is that?
The president of these.
You are the president of this market.
जी साहिवाल, पूरा साहिवाल
All Sahiwal fruit and vegetable market.
वेजिटेबल फ्रूट एंड वेजिटेबल एसोसिएशन
Ah, nice. You're
Alhamdulillah.
president. Naam.
नदीम रहमानी
Nadeem Rahmani. Nice
नदीम
to meet
रहमानी
you. Absolutely.
आए तस्वीर के चाहे
A picture. Okay, no problem.
Basically, this bazaar, the carts from the fruit carts and the vegetable carts are under him, under his authority.
Meaning that he rents out those places or what?
आप ये इनको रेंट पे देते हैं क्या? आपका काम क्या है?
What is his responsibility? That's my question.
ये गवर्नमेंट ने हमें फ्री जगह दी हुई है, गवर्नमेंट ने मरियम नवाज साहबा ने वज़ीर आला ने ये हमें फ्री जड़ियों की जगह दी हुई है जिसमें सारे मजदूर रेडी बान फ्री खड़े हुए हैं, जहाँ पर ओवर चार्जिंग कोई नहीं है।
अच्छा, तो आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्या है?
हमारी ये है कि हमारा जो कोई मंडी का इशू बन जाए, कोई मार्केट का इशू बन जाए, कोई इदारों का इशू बन जाए, वो मैंने हैंडल करना होता है। और साथ अगर कोई रेजिस्ट वाला आ जाता है, कोई जुर्माने वाला आ जाता है, तो इसको मैं पे करता हूँ, उसको मैं डिसाइड करता हूँ कि ये रेट क्या है क्या नहीं है।
सही। So basically he is saying this market responsibility is his responsibility, and these carts are, firstly he said that these carts are completely free, they are not paying anyone. Okay, and secondly he said that if there is some kind of problem, someone says that this is expensive, the government rates don't match, then he handle these type of stuff. Yeah.
Okay, so these are his responsibilities.
Yeah, these are his responsibilities.
Okay, shukriya. Thank you, man. Absolutely खुशी हुई.
मुझे भी यहाँ से मिलकर बहुत खुशी है। अल्लाह आपको सलामत रखे।
Shukriya. Bye bye.
बाबा जी कुल्फी।
Okay, guys, we have come back to the neighborhood of Mr. Bagga, the Mr. Kulfi Wala. And he actually asked me, he wants to sing a certain song that he has written now before, and he wants to put it on video. It's a property dealer office. Okay, assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Oh, nah, assalamu alaikum, sir. Kya hal hai? Okay, so he wants to do a certain song. He told me he has written a certain song before.
Yeah.
On the way back, all the children of the town are coming in. He's going to perform the new song he just wrote for us. All right, come. All right. Tell him. Huh?
Wait.
I wait.
जो बग्गा गावेगा ना, जिस तरह गावेगा उस तरह ही तुमने गाना है, ठीक है? इसके साथ ना पहले वो बोलेगा, फिर तुमने बोलना ज़ारा में, दांत नहीं निकालने।
नया डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प पाकिस्तानी दोस्तों,
नया डोनाल्ड ट्रंप पाकिस्तानी दोस्तों,
मैनू बचाओ अमरीका मेहरबानी दोस्तों,
मैनू बचाओ अमेरिका मेहरबानी दोस्तों,
नया डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प पाकिस्तानी दोस्तों,
नया डोनाल्ड ट्रंप पाकिस्तानी दोस्तों,
मैनू बचाओ अमरीका मेहरबानी दोस्तों,
मैनू बचाओ अमेरिका मेहरबानी दोस्तों,
मैं जाके अपने बरादर नू मिलना है,
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 नया डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प पाकिस्तानी दोस्तों,
नया डोनाल्ड ट्रंप पाकिस्तानी दोस्तों,
बचाओ अमरीका मेहरबानी दोस्तों,
मैनू बचाओ अमेरिका मेहरबानी दोस्तों,
नया डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प पाकिस्तानी दोस्तों, मैनू बचाओ अमरीका मेहरबानी दोस्तों, मैं जाके अपने बरादर नू मिलना है,
मैं जाके अपने
मेहरबानी दोस्तों मेहरबानी दोस्तों बस अच्छा
Finish.
फिनिश
There you go. Beautiful.
ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੋਟ ਪਵਾ ਕੇ ਨਾ ਟਰੰਪ ਵਾਲਾ ਡਾਂਸ ਕਰਵਾ ਮੈਂ ਮਜ਼ਾਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ
कोड को छोड़ बे
Yeah. Yeah.
He's saying he's saying bring a coat and
ਉਹ ਚੀਜ਼ ਬੜੀ
he
ਮਸ਼ਹੂਰ
should
ਹੋਣੀ ਹੈ
perform the dance Donald Trump dance.
Coat.
Coat.
You give him. I don't know. I don't
This
have.
is not gonna fit.
Ah.
This one.
So this is the part where the grand finale of this video happened, where they wanted Mr. Pakistani Trump to mimic Donald Trump's famous dance. So I showed him first a video on YouTube how Donald Trump is dancing to the very famous song YMCA. And this is where things get really exciting. YMCA, da da la 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 la. YMCA. 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 Very nice. बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा. बहुत अच्छा. Okay. Pakistan Zindabad. Sahiwal Zindabad. Kulfi Wala Zindabad. Melama?
Malla Muhammadpura.
Who is this?
The area, name of area.
Name of area?
Yeah.
Mala?
Muhammadpura.
Mala Muhammadpura. Acha. Very nice. Shukriya everyone. Allah Hafiz. Amazing people. What an amazing guys.